I have a train at 10 o'clock. Norwich is, you can see, calling at Chelmsford, Colchester, Manningtree, Ipswich, Diss, and Norwich. I will take this train, so it will go to Chelmsford around 10:27. The train, beautiful train. So going to Norwich, they say Norwich. So going to Norwich. So you can see calling at Chelmsford, Colchester, Manningtree, Ipswich, Diss, and Norwich. So I will go and sit in the last coach because I have 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Normally people here, they will occupy coaches from last, because if anyone coming close to train departure time, so just they can take first or second coaches. So I better leave these coaches and I take last one or last but one, because I have 5 more minutes time for the train departure. This is excellent. I am going to meet my friends from India, from Pakistan, from England, so from Zimbabwe in Chelmsford. So, and I also planning to visit my college, Riddle College, where I have done my masters. So planning to visit my old houses in Midgate Avenue and Springfield. So, and come back in the evening. So because it's a peak time, so it's a rush time. That's why they have attached 2 trains to 1 train. Always used to travel from Chelmsford to Liverpool Street because I enjoy traveling by train. So I always used to take this Liverpool Street platforms 10 to 15. So this is 10 to 15 platforms. See how beautiful they are. They are similar from past 25 years, 23 years. So when I first visited
Norwich.
This is a train compartment. See how beautiful it is.
The next stop will be Chelmsford.
Nice sunshine today. Very nice weather. Hopefully it will stay entire day. See the speed, because first stop is Chelmsford. In the year 2002, 2003, so these trains not used to stop in Chelmsford. All trains, Norwich trains, but now they are stopping in Chelmsford. We are still in London suburbs. So till Shenfield, almost like London suburb. So after Shenfield, real counties will start and real scenery will start. Excellent, look excellent scenery, like all with green, wheat fields and green patches everywhere. So country area is always excellent counties compared to London city. So till here the train Elizabeth line will come, so this goes directly to airport. So there's a new line started just 5-6 years back, so maybe 7-8 years. Excellent line. Trains are also new. We can sit forward seats are available. So and it goes directly to Heathrow. Previously Heathrow, going to Heathrow was big tough. Now it is easy from Chelmsford. This is Ingerstone. Next stop is Chelmsford. ట్రైన్లో దిగేసిన నేను. సో మా ఫ్రెండ్ బస్సు వస్తున్నాడు ఇప్పుడు, బస్సు శ్రీనివాస్, టు స్టేషన్ టు పిక్ మీ అప్. సో ఐ విల్ go and meet him. So this is Chelmsford station. I always used to enjoy going to London by train from this station. So that side is going to Liverpool Street, London. So this side this platform will go to Colchester, Ipswich, Clacton and other stations. So I always used to enjoy and always cherish those memories. So traveling to London by train, coming from London to Chelmsford. So first time I came in the year 2019, October 20th, Sunday. So that was a beautiful journey and I could see great English countryside, excellent countryside. So Chelmsford is home of Essex cricket. So where Graham Gooch, Alistair Cook and others played for Chelmsford, Essex, and they have represented and became captains of England cricket team. You know very well. So now I am going to meet my friend Patsu. Tickets in information area. So I always used to take tickets here going to London. So this is the platforms. So I just came out from that platforms. You can see the trains, arrivals and departures. So this is Costa. This is a new Costa Coffee's new thing. So you can see Ipswich next train, departures London Liverpool Street, Clacton. Every 10-15 minutes we have a train to London. Stops just adjacent to train station. So whenever we get down from train station, so all the buses like 41, 51, 16, 72, 45, all the buses they go entire Chelmsford and surrounding areas. So it's a beautiful location. So this is a train bridge, Chelmsford entrance. So now I am going to meet my friend Batsu. His name is Srinivas actually. His surname is Batsu, but everyone calls him as Batsu because Srinivas is very common name in India. So he used to be my roommate, flatmate from the year 2003 to 2005. So I can't see him. He's somewhere here. So I think there is a parking area for he's there. So yeah, I can see his car. So Citroen French car. So this is a area for pick up passengers and drop off, and also taxis. Taxis are always available. Just we don't need to tell them where we are going, our destination. So just we have to tell them that we want to go. So he is waiting for me. He was calling me, so asking when I am coming to visiting UK. So finally I came to UK. Yeah. Hello.
Bhaiya. Hey, welcome to the UK.
Okay, thank you. Main road, Chelmsford. So always we used to travel by this road because county cricket ground is just nearby, and left side is High Street. So if we take left, so now we are going straight to Boreham Royal Mail. Main road, Chelmsford. So always we used to travel by this road because county cricket ground is just nearby, and left side is High Street. So if we take left, so now we are going straight to Boreham Royal Mail. So this is a bit highway, not exactly A12 big highway.
Old A12.
This A12 I think.
Old.
Oh, this is old A12. So now we are going towards Boreham. So A12 is excellent road. I always used to take that to go to London. So you can see clearly the boards. Left goes to Colchester, to Harwich, Stansted.
Kotta train station on the left.
Okay, the new train station.
In 100 years.
After 100 years, they have built after 100 years. First train station
In
after 100 years in UK, because all the stations they have built more than 100 years ago. So this is the train. This is a new train station, Chelmsford North. So it is going to open in the month of December. So this station they have built after 100 years. Like last 100 years they didn't build any station because they all built before. So this is Bewley Park station, not Chelmsford North. Yeah, Bewley Park is close where we used to live. It's close to Springfield. So this road goes to Sudbury, Braintree, Stansted. This is the Royal Mail where I worked from 2002 to 2007, 4.5 years. So always very excellent working here because we get plenty of breaks. We can work for 1 hour, take 15 minutes, 20 minutes break, and work for 1 hour. So it's kind of
days are gone.
So it used to be government control. Now I think it is privatized. So now it is a bit strict. So this is a parking for Royal Mail. So I am visiting after 11 years. So I last came in the year 2000. Charles. I am meeting this great man, Shafqat Ali, after 2007. You know, so after 15 years.